This video is going to rub a lot of VeChain haters the wrong way, but guess what? I don't care because if there's one thing that I've learned about VeChain is that they're constantly evolving and integrating themselves into tangible businesses that are going to turn into actual things. And so I have one more piece of bullish news that I want to share with you. And on the back end of the video, I want to give you some perspective on how I look at VeChain, possibly how you should be looking at VeChain, and why I'm super bullish on this project. Now, if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Donnie Joseph. On this channel, we talk about crypto, we talk about investing, health, wealth, mindset, and all of the above. So let's just jump right in. Oh, by the way, if you're new here, you will learn that none of my videos are scripted. I just hit record. I don't take notes. I don't do any of that. But I did have one subscriber that had suggested that I should take notes and use. And so rather than screen sharing or do anything like that, I brought my little whiteboard here with some bullet points that I wanted to go over. So what is this bullish news with VeChain? Number one, we have a European Union law that has essentially said that beginning February of 2027, that all of these countries or people that are part of the European Union will have to have a digital passport. All of the companies will have to have a digital passport to be able to play the game. No passport, no access to the market. That's super big news because now there's a law that's establishing a digital passport for these businesses to identify where these products have originated, what their sustainability is, and so on and so forth. So that's number one. Number two, we have huge market opportunity, okay? We have huge market opportunity. Currently, this is 186 million with an M market. However, by 2030, they're projecting that this could be a 1.78 billion with a B industry. So in terms of market opportunity, I'm sorry. Now, they also believe that this would lead to roughly 11 trillion in tokenized assets on the blockchain. So that's super huge. That's super bullish for me, okay? Number three, using my little notepad, is that every product is going to need a digital passport. Every product, they need a digital passport. And every passport is going to have this blockchain tokenization technology. So this is super huge because this is VeChain's main lane right here. This is how they got started. This is how Sonny Lou started this project. Now, obviously, fast forward, he's evolved into other things. But again, we can't overlook that VeChain is now integrating themselves into this system that's mandatory, super bullish, okay? Now, I said that I want to share with you how I look at VeChain because again, there's all these VeChain haters that are like, hey, it's a dead project. It's not going to do anything, yada, 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 yada. I don't even care about it. All that is just white noise. That's like turning your TV to the wrong station and all you're hearing is static. I don't even hear it. And if they show up in the comments, great. It'll help the video get pushed out to more viewers. Here's how I look at any investment that I do. Number one, I start at the top. Who's at the top of VeChain? That's Sonny Lou. When I look at Sonny Lou, that's somebody that I believe in. This dude is a winner. He's not just some random guy. I mean, this guy is thinking 5, 10, 15 steps down the road. I just love this dude. All you have to do is sit down and watch an interview. The guy's genuine, he's intelligent, he's forward thinking, and he has amazing relationships throughout not just his personal life, but business relationships. He has partnerships with BMW, with Walmart, with Louis Vuitton, with Franklin Templeton, the UFC, the Fight Slap League. I mean, it just goes on and on with Sonny Lou. Super bullish on this guy. But then some people will say, okay, well, what have they done? Look what it's trading at. I'll give you that. VeChain, it's under a penny right now. Okay, cool, fair argument. But the whole crypto space is down. So it's not just a VeChain thing. But then they're like, oh, well, yeah, but this project pumped and VeChain didn't do anything. Listen, guys, we haven't had a legitimate bull run since 2021. That is when VeChain last did their major run up. 2021, they run up to, I think it was like 27 cents. We haven't had a bull run. And I would even argue that that bull run where VeChain went up to 27 cents, that was more of like a speculative, that was like a speculative bull run. That has nothing to do with adoption, because with what VeChain is doing, this is a real world utility that's going to be used, which it's insane with all of the crypto projects. And listen, there's going to be a lot of crypto projects that go away once this Clarity Act hits. VeChain is not going to be one of them. VeChain is here to stay. Now, are they going to run up when we get a bull run? Is there anything for certain? No, but I absolutely believe that they will. I have my exit target set for VeChain, but I'm not even worried about that. Do I want to get my investment back? Absolutely. Here's what I'm excited about VeChain. I'm looking at real world adoption, and I understand that that takes time. So for me, VeChain, it's a long-term play. Plain and simple. It's a long-term play. I'm here to roll it out with them. We're in it for the long run. Sorry, Sonny Lou, I'm here with you, man. You ain't getting rid of me. Looking at a company like Amazon, you could make an argument that Amazon is one of the top companies. They didn't really see their price appreciation for 12 years. 12 years. Now, initially, in the first few years, they saw a major run up. That was a speculation phase. And then we had a pullback. But it wasn't until the 12, 13-year time frame when Amazon really did its thing. I don't even think it's going to take that much time for VeChain. I think the rate at which this adoption is taking place and the rate at which we are moving forward with technology, I think it's going to happen a lot faster than what it took Amazon when they were getting started. But again, to me, this isn't just like a quick pump type project that I know people that were in crypto early on. I mean, they were looking for these quick pumps and everybody was making quick money. The game is changing, man. Big money's here. The regulation is here. It's a whole different market right now. And so again, I'm super bullish on VeChain. I don't know about you. Let me know in the comments. What do you think? Does this make sense? Are you in or are you out? I'll meet you in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk soon.